There is no need to cry for trifles more than this. Will you still recall my name and the month it all began? Will you release me with a kiss? Have I tried to draw the veil? If I have, how could I fail? Did I fear the consequence? Dazed by careless words, cozy in my mind. I don't mind, I think so. I will let you go. I don't mind, I think so. I will let you go. I shaped the liquid wax, fitted out with greater cracks. Sweet devotion, my delight. Oh, you're such a pretty one, and the naked thrills of flesh and skin would tease me through the night.